am back with another video. If you are new to the channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that notification bell so every time I post a video, it will let you know, girl. Then you can go over and you can check it out. And if you are oldie but goodie, hey now. So today, I'm finally getting back to my Walmart content. So as you know, I am a Walmart partner and a Walmart creator, so I have to get on my Walmart, okay? So I did go out to Town, where they have the most beautiful clothing in Walmart. Now, I am not an online shopper, but I am a little OG, so I like to go to the store and I like to feel and touch and all those good things. And also, when I was over in New York at the Scoop store, I was able to feel and touch, try on, and even purchase some clothing if I wanted to. But I could not get my hands on those infamous fur sandals, but when I ventured off to the store, I actually picked up a pair, so I'll be showing you that later on in the video. So my outfits, these are my comfortable clothes, okay? This is just a PJ set. It's satin, it's leopard print, it's my favorite. I love to thrift PJ sets, and if you don't, please try, because you can really find some good gems, some good vintage PJ pieces, because I have no offense about buying from other places like Victoria's Secret and places like that, and you know, they always have deals and discounts and, you know, sales, but I don't know, there's something about thrifting my pajamas I just absolutely love. So let's get into the video and let me show you what I purchased, girl. My first item that I picked up is this gorgeous dress. It's from Terra Sky. Now, Terra Sky is the plus line from Walmart, and they have some amazing pieces. So if you are a plus girl, please check them out. They have beautiful clothing, jeans, like two-piece knit sets. You really have to get into it. And they start at a 1X and they go all the way up to 3X. Now, this one is a 1X. Like, you know, I do love a lot of my dresses oversized, so I did pick her up in this beautiful leopard print. They also had black, but I went with the leopard print, and I love the flare of the sleeves. It does come with a belt, and also I love that it has ruffles at the bottom. Now, I also like the fact that if I wanted to belt it myself and just add like a vintage belt or something I thrifted, I definitely could add this to the mix. Also, she could be good with a fedora, throw on some boots, leather moto jacket, a jean jacket would be really gorgeous with her. You can play around, you know, if you're taking the kids on a hayride or something cool like that. You can wear tights underneath with some boots, a little jean jacket, and maybe a hat, and you'll have a good outfit, girl. So this originally cost $22.98, but I got her on clearance for $5. Yes. So I was super excited about that. When I went to the store, I wasn't expecting to find anything on clearance, but most of the items that I'm going to show you today were actually on clearance. My second purchase, I got this floral dress. It's by Free Assembly. It has balloon puffy sleeves, and it kind of has an A-line at the bottom. So if you want to hide and tuck some of that good tummy, you can in this type of dress. And I also like that the back stretches out. It zips up in the back. And I actually got her on clearance as well. She originally was $36, but I got her for $7. And also, I'm figuring this is from maybe a summer line, but it does have that wine burgundy color inside. So if you wanted to take her into fall, you definitely could. And again, add some really good fall boots and a jean jacket or a coat or something like that would be perfect for her. And you can even wear her now while the weather is pretty nice outside. We haven't gotten to cold temperatures yet, so we've still been experiencing a little bit of summertime. So you can get away with something like that. Next item that I purchased was this Pinstripe Vest from No Boundaries. It is definitely from the youth side. I got this in a small and it was on sale. It originally was $18.98 and I got her on sale for $1.50. So I could not resist her. And also I did get the pants earlier on that actually matches the pinstripe pants. They're kind of wide leg and they cuff at the bottom. So I am going to be pairing her probably with a white button up and maybe a little tie or something. That would be super cute. But that's what she looks like in the back. And that was a good find for $1.50. Now that deal was better than the thrift store prices, okay? And that's super cute. I can't wait to dress that up. So my next item that I picked up, I am so in love with any denim one-piece jumpsuit. I love this one by Celebrity Pink. I love how they have the sleeves already cuffed up and they also did it at the bottom. And I got this in a medium. I feel like I could have gotten a large, but I love the way the medium kind of contoured my body and it was just giving me body yaddy yaddy. So I can easily dress this up, dress this down. You know, when the weather gets cooler, I can throw on some type of jacket or coat. I don't think I'm gonna blazer her up though. And she originally was $27.50, but I got her on clearance for $13. Like, look at her. This is just cute, just so cute. So next, this beautiful pleated skirt, and it kind of like concaves at the bottom, which I absolutely love. It's like a zigzag, or I don't know what you call it, but it does that at the bottom, which is super cute. And I love this wine color. I've been looking all over for this wine color, trying to find pieces in this color because I absolutely adore that color. So I will be purchasing a lot of things in that color because I think that color is like so rich. It looks so expensive and it's just a vibe. So this is by the brand Scoop. I got her in a medium, I believe. And one thing I do want to tell you about Scoop, if you are buying, Scoop runs a bit big. So I would definitely size down one because I'm usually a large. So with Scoop brand, I'm always taking like a, what do you call that? I'm always taking a size down. So I did learn that about Scoop. And she was originally $28, but she was on sale for $13. Super cute. So next I have this denim maxi cargo skirt. She is so cute. I love the pockets on the side and I absolutely love this middle split. She is cute and she's by Scoop. I got her in a size 8 and she was originally $28, but I got her for $11. Yes. Now, like I said, you can go to the store. I suggest you go to the store if you want to get these prices because most of the time Walmart does not have these type of prices on their website. But I will link each and every piece that I'm showing you. So just in case you can't find it in the store, you can just go over to my Walmart storefront and you can shop the pieces that you like. And also You can see all my favorite fall finds. You can find all my home finds. Walmart storefront is very similar to Amazon storefront. So if you purchase anything off of an Amazon storefront, Walmart is sort of quite the same. And you can see all my picks and all my finds, and you can just purchase from the links if you like anything that you see. The next piece that I got was another free assembly piece. I got this in a small. It has these little sleeves. They like kind of gather around the bottom. It does come with a belt, so it's belted, and it's giving me an A-line, but it gives me vintage. That's why I was attracted to it. I did get it in black. It was on sale, and it originally was $34, but I got her for $9. And they have these really cute like pearl buttons going down it, but it was giving me like vintage girl, so I just had to get it. So the next piece that I have is this snake skin like body dress. It does layer. It has like a layer of like a black slip dress underneath, so it can cover everything, all the goodies. You don't have to worry about anything. I got this in an extra small because it's all they had, but I'm hoping I can fit this. I'm hoping by the time I like try on clothes and edit this that I can fit this, because I think this is super cute. I got this really cute jacket to go with this, and I'm thinking just some black boots, and she was $12.98 and I paid $5 on clearance for her. So let's cross our fingers that I can fit this. Next, I found this just plain black maxi. It is by the brand Scoop. I got this in an extra large because I did want her to fit a bit oversized. I wanted it to be flowy, and I just wanted to be loose and free. And she was originally $34, and I got her for $9. I know. I'm killing it, right? I know. The next thing I purchased was this faux leather bomber jacket by No Boundaries. Super cute, child. And you will never believe how much I paid for that. Now, she was originally $25, and I got her for $8. Like, it is a small, but I did try it on in the store, and I had a hoodie on, so it fit pretty good. And the sleeves, they are like right here, but I'm gonna probably push it up anyway, and you know, wear some cute little style with it. But this was only $8. So my next item is another maxi, but this is a knit maxi by Free Assembly, and I love how it is aligned with this white piping. So beautiful. They also had it in a green, but the green was an extra large, so I passed. But if it was my size, I would have gotten it. And all of them were like extra like big sizes, so I couldn't fit it. But I did get this in an extra small, and see how big it looks. It originally was $30, and I got her for $10. Cute. It's a little. And then my last item that I purchased of clothing was this dress pants by Scoop. I got her in a size 8, and she was originally $28. I got it for $10.50, and it's just cute. Just cute. She's wide leg, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun with her. And I'm pretty sure I already got some pants like this, but I don't think they're wide leg. I think they're just regular straight leg dress pants, but these were wide leg, so that was cute. So next I got these Ballerina silver metallic flats. I have been looking for some shoes like this, but I wanted like the rhinestone ones that they have at Walmart, And they also have these ones with the buckles by Steve Madden NYC. It comes in like a wine color, and it also comes in a black. But they didn't have it at that store or the other Walmart that I went to. And these are just super cute. They're just like cute to put on, cute to run errands. You can put on like jeans, put on a little sweater for fall, you know, wrap your little scarf around. It is really like, you know, you can really dress down your outfit, but look cute at the same time. They were just sitting in a corner. Actually, they were not where they were supposed to be. I just happened to be like walking past and seeing it out the corner of my eye. And I'm like, what is that? And then it just happened to be my size. Like, it was meant to be. So these were originally $14.98, but I got them for $5. And now these are the shoes that I ordered online. They were so hard to find. And I finally got my hands on them. And I think I have enough time to wear them before it gets too cold. But look at these. I love these. Now, you know, Zara, and I think they're actually from Gucci. Gucci originally makes this shoe like this. And then Zara duped it. And now Walmart duped Zara. But it's so cute. Look at it. It has like a wedge heel, which I wish it was more of a like just like a, not a little heel, but just like more of a heel. They were $38, and they also come in black. I was going to get the black, I really was, but I was like, you know what, Karen, you always get black, so do something different, girl. So I got this wine color, and I'm absolutely great. I tried them on when I was at the event, so you know, she got my information and all that, and they got delivered. And I bought over my own money, like I said it. So, oh, I got 2 pair of sunglasses, and they were only $1. These, super cute. I think they're like Ryan Foster or something like that. That's what they sell at Walmart. Yep, Foster Grant. There we go. And these are Foster Grant as well. And they were only $1. I just thought they were cute to like use with my content and when I'm doing things outside. For my content, you know, go with a couple outfits. Super cute. So that's gonna be all for me. Msglamdoll, aka Karen. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you like more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.